Hi Tigers, Miss Schwartz here, ready for groups 1 and 2 concept review cards for kit 2. So let me share my screen. So remember, as I share these cards, you visually are looking and listening. So this becomes habit and we work on muscle memory. So it helps us with our reading and spelling. A digraph is two letters in the same syllable that stand for one sound. Medial n is pronounced ng before k and g sounds. Final ng is spelled digraph in G as in king. Medial ng before k and g is spelled in as in sink. C is pronounced k before A, O, and any consonant. When two consonants stand between two sounded vowels, the word usually divides between the consonants and the accent most frequently falls on the first syllable. Initial or medial k is spelled K before I. Initial or medial k is spelled C before A, O, and any consonant. The spelling of a suffix does not change. When adding a suffix to a base word ending with two consonants, the spelling of the base word does not change. Final k is spelled digraph CK in a one-syllable base word immediately after a short vowel. A digraph is two adjacent letters in the same syllable that stand for one sound. There are vowel digraphs and consonant digraphs. When adding a suffix to a base word with two adjacent vowels in the final syllable, the spelling of the base word does not change. Initial or medial k is spelled K before E and I. Final E in a monosyllable is usually pronounced E as in he. Initial Y is pronounced Y. When adding a consonant suffix to a base word ending in one vowel and one consonant, the spelling of the base word does not change. English base words do not end in J. English base words do not end in U. And finally, last card, initial or medial k is spelled C before A, O, U, and any consonant. So remember, this will help you when you are spelling and reading. So keep practicing and watching the video and listening and looking. Have a great day.